Morning everyone, welcome to another Twin Peaks wild camping video. Me and Simon finally out on our own for probably the first time in May, is it Simon? Since May? Yeah, so the twins are back together again and we're in Snowdonia today and we're going to take a hike up the Watkin Path. We're going to do a wild camp up there. Not too sure where yet. We've never been up this path before, so it's a first for us. So we're just going to take a hike up, you know, at our own leisurely pace. We've got all day, and if we find somewhere we like, then we'll pitch up. So it's a bit of a unknown route to us, and we'll just ad-lib it, wing it, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So this is the start of the walk. You start off in this forest or woodland, and I reckon well, it is the hardest route up to Snowdon, the Watkin Path, because the actual route starts about 70 metres above sea level, is it? So we're told 70 metres above sea level, and also you've got a hell of a long way to go to get to the top of Snowdon. Although we're not going to summit Snowdon today, we're going to camp somewhere around that area. All depends what's suitable and what's up with the wind, because there might be a bit of wind on top. We'll show you the progress along the way of this walk. I'm just taking my waterproof shell off because I'm starting to sweat a bit. It's not that cold, to be honest, quite mild. So a little tip: you don't want to walk miles and get soaking wet with perspiration, because when you eventually set up camp, you're going to absolutely soaking. So it's pretty important how you lay it up for a hike. Especially when it's quite warm as well. So we parked our car somewhere in a lay-by here, go past the cafe, and that's the start of the Watkin Path. So we're somewhere, well, we're there at the moment. So we're going to follow it all the way up. We're going to try and get to a clear weather if we can, but it all depends. Like I said, you know, the wind, if it's too windy I won't be going that far, but we'll soon see. You've got a Clywedd, which is 898 metres. You've got Clywedd Bark, 818 metres. You've got the infamous Crib Goch, what Mark did about a month ago when I done the pig track, because I'm sensible. So I went up that way. And then we met up on Garnet Egain, and then you can go this way to Snowdon. And of course it was Britain's first designated footpath, which was created by Sir Edward Watkin and officially opened by Prime Minister William Gladstone in 1892. The scenery up here is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. A nice waterfall. There. Round to the left is a campsite called Nant Gwynant, and that's where me and Kath stayed for the weekend. And if you ever need to go on a campsite in North Wales, I highly recommend it. It's a good vibe, got some good food there. I can't recommend it, you know, enough. It's brilliant, like, you know. Looks like someone's going in for a dip.
Rather them than me.
Got to be fair though, come back in the summer, I might be tempted to go in there, Mark.
That's awesome, that isn't it?
Yeah, it's like a big plunge pool.
Crystal clear.
It's quite deep as well, that is, I think.
Yeah.
I've seen on other videos and people say it's pretty deep, like, so you actually have a nice swim in there, like, swim around.
Awesome, isn't it? Yes, sun's coming out.
Look at that for a view. Absolutely stunning, that is. There's a Clywedd. As Simon said before, there's Clouth Cork. We just stop for a bit of lunch. I'm going to have a Kabuto noodles, chili chicken ramen. Simon's having the good old pot noodle, what is it? And a Peter's sausage roll.
These are lovely. I taste them.
So yeah, we're going to have a sit down for 10 minutes now, have something to eat, and make our way up there to Arran. First time having these Kabuto noodles. They've got a definite kick to them. Whew, nice though. I'll give them a 7 out of 10. Not bad for a quid. Just a nice spot of lunch with our view to look at. Right, we're gonna make our way up to Arran. Bit of a path, might be a sheep track that goes up and around up to the summit. It's either go that way or try and clamber up all this, and I think the best option would be the first option I just said. Looks a bit more gradual, so yeah, let's see how we get on going this way. Hope it's not too boggy, because some of this is really boggy a bit. So no, we'll let you know. So we see now really clear as we've come round this corner. That's Snowdon. That's 1085 metres above sea level. And that peak there is Clouth Cork, and that is 931 metres above sea level. So yeah, we actually got Snowdon on a pretty clear day, and we can actually see the peak with no cloud at all going over the top. Perfect. Not far off the summit of Arran now. And it is blowing a gale up here. Look at those views. Absolutely incredible. Got a couple of lakes over there in the distance. We're just going to follow the path up now, all the way to the summit. Just got a bit further up now, and that is Cribgoch. And if you saw one of our previous or latest videos, and you'll get to see me doing the grade 1 scramble over the top of it. And looking at it now, I can't believe I did it. But yeah, check that video out. the tent we're using tonight. We've used it a few times. You've probably seen it before. It's a Vango Hurricane 200. Proper mountain tent, absolute bomb-proof. I don't think you'll find these anymore. Probably discontinued, but awesome tent. Doesn't move in the wind. Absolutely solid, solid as a rock. Don't even move. Brilliant.
Right, folks. It's new kit day. Just want to show you what Karen bought me for my birthday. It's a Thermarest Neo Air X Therm. It's the latest model with the it's got the quick lock valve on it. As you can see there, you just open that and all the air comes out pretty fast. So yeah, I'm gonna put this up now and I'll show you when it's up. Right, there's a Thermarest Neo Air X Therm all pumped up. It's got an R rating of 6.9 now. So I'm looking forward to lying on that tonight. And I'll let you know tomorrow what I thought of it.
You won't be disappointed because I don't know. I've had mine for bloody over a year. Best thing I've ever had. Amazing. Amazing. I got the old one.
Yeah, they are good, aren't they?
You feel a warm looking through them, it's just
Yeah.
normal. You pay for what you get, simple as that, innit?
Yeah. And my other half bought me that for my birthday, so pretty lucky.
Just took the drone out for a flight. I was in two minds about doing it, to be honest, because it was pretty windy. And I was lucky to get it back, to be honest. It went off in the direction I wanted it to, but then I realised I was struggling with the wind, so I pressed the return to home button to get it back to where it originally took off, and it wasn't responding. So how the hell I got it back? I was really lucky, to be honest, and I should have just gone my gut instinct and just left it in the bag. But anyway, that's a lesson learned. At least I got it back, and it took a while to get it back because I don't know what it was. I didn't seem to know what it was doing. It was even on the return to home button starting off, it wouldn't come back. I had to keep trying it all 2 or 3 times to get it back. But anyway, I eventually got it back, and I just got it down in one piece. So pretty lucky, to be honest. And yeah, I won't be doing that again. We're all settled down now in the tent. Just a little peek outside. All the peaks over there are going to be covered in cloud cover now. If you look around here, it's pretty grey. We've got some rain forecast overnight. But in all fairness, we've been lucky with the weather because according to the forecast, it should have rained today, but we only had a couple of showers. But tea's on the go. We got two sashes of Tilda Pillar basmati rice. We got in there. We got Sainsbury's own chicken madras. There's 2 tins in there, and then we're going to cook this up, and then we're going to have a bit of food, and then basically close up the tent, and just stay in here, I suppose, rest of the night, Mark. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to mention that they got a can of the Herefordshire Firewater.
Yeah, so we had a big hike. It's been pretty hard work, to be honest. So we're gonna have a couple of cans early night, and then early start back to Cardiff in the morning. Then, so have a last look at the tent, outside the tent, the view, and then we'll bring you back a bit later on. Right, that's finished article. That's the curry and rice in there. That's Mark's. Pretty tasty, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Is it spicy?
Not really. Nice though.
Better than those bloody camping meals we used to buy. I stopped buying them, I have, to be honest. I just don't think they're very good value for money, are they?
Not really.
You know, you can feed 2 people, you know, here, less than what, you know, one of those camping meals cost. You know what I mean? It's a no-brainer, really. But anyway, before it goes cold, I'm gonna start eating this. Get back to you later, guys. Welcome back, guys. We've had food. We've had a lot of rain. The rain's been bouncing off the tent intermittently for the last hour. We're gonna just watch a couple of YouTube videos now. Have a couple of beers. Nice early night. Nice early start tomorrow. We're gonna pack up early, and then we've got a 4-hour drive back to Cardiff. So you know, we're gonna love you and leave you, and we'll see you in the morning.
So what are the challenges of sleeping in a minivan with no restroom, no kitchen, or any of those amenities? Well, the one we found already is, in broad daylight, where do we pee? So we could either go down this cliff and hide behind a tree, or what we've done is gone out of sight in a very little valley down here. So not convenient by any means. But challenge number one is, where do you pee when there's no facilities and you don't have a camper like some of our neighbors do?
Good morning from Aaron. Had a good night's sleep. Nice and comfortable in here. No winds, hardly any rain, which was a bonus. Just going back to yesterday's hike from the main road up the walking path. We were planning on going up to Clywedd, but we changed plans, as you saw, because basically, how the hell are we going to carry these bags up to the top of the walking path? And when we got to Aaron, you could actually see how insane that would have been. So I just don't know what we were thinking, to be honest. But anyway, we all make mistakes, like. But yeah, we found a good spot in the end and over here, and yeah, I think it turned out well. Nice camp spot, nice views. That's all you want, right? So yeah, we're gonna make a nice cup of coffee now, and we'll get back to you.
Last night I told you I've got a new Thermarest sleeping pad. I'll tell you what, after one night on this, it's absolutely awesome. Comfortable, warm, and hands down, I reckon, probably the best sleeping pad out there at the moment. It's got an R value of 6.9, I think it is. I know they're not cheap, but I reckon that's an investment, because I think it's a lifetime warranty. I think they come with. So if the baffles go or you can repair it, you can send it back. And if they can repair it, I think they send you a new one in a post. So I reckon it's well worth getting one of them. I know it's a big outlay starting off, but save money in the long run instead of buying cheap mats all the time. Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome piece of kit, that is. Well happy.
Mooch around outside the tent. You see it's a fair bit of cloud cover. Behind me there, over there is a clywedd. So even if we did make it a bear, we wouldn't be able to see nothing because we were in the clouds. Like, so yeah, we picked a good spot. Yeah, nice views. Over there, Llyn Gwynant. It's over there. That brings an end to another epic adventure up on the mountains in North Wales, Snowdonia. We hope it inspires you to go out hiking or even wild camping, as long as you leave no trace, like we have. In undoubtedly one of the most picturesque parts of Wales. We love it up here. It's absolutely stunning location. I don't think you can get any better. So that's why we keep coming back. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and stay this long to watch the end. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Coming back on the mountain, and I spotted this. A plastic bottle which is never going to disintegrate in a million years. And that boils my blood, quite frankly.